What's up, Brian Tong here, and hey, we got a surprise out of nowhere because a leaked video directly from Apple has revealed the camera-equipped AirPods in action, so obviously we're going to show it to you.
With visual intelligence, your world becomes savable. See something you like? Just ask me to save it for later.
Now, it was Mac Rumors who found this video clip in the latest macOS Tahoe 26.7 release candidate, and it shows a first look at the new AirPods with cameras in action using Apple's visual intelligence. In the video, it says your world becomes savable, so if you see something of interest, you can most likely use Siri and ask it to save it for later. There's a couple interesting things here, though. If you look at the AirPods in the demo, you do not see a camera lens on the side at all, which would indicate the cameras on the new rumored AirPods will most likely be facing directly forward on the stems and will be ultra-wide cameras that can be used in combination to generally cover your peripheral vision. We should say that it obviously hasn't been officially confirmed at all, but they have been rumored for a while with these AirPods Ultras, and we also can't see them at all in this of how they differentiate. We also don't actually hear the user say a specific voice prompt, and of course, we can assume Siri is being used, but we don't actually know what that interaction sounds like. But this is a pretty big screw up from Apple. It's literally one of their tutorial videos of an unreleased product that hasn't been announced, and it's a setup video that was left in the code for Mac OS Tahoe. Now, we know based on reports that the cameras will feed information to visual intelligence, and then Siri is expected to answer questions about the wearer's surroundings and log that information. Mac Rumors reports there is a direct reference to setting up visual intelligence on the AirPods in the code, and if hair is covering the AirPods up, you'll receive an alert. It will say, to get the most accurate information about things in your environment, make sure the AirPods are not covered. I won't have that problem. And when I think about Apple putting cameras in AirPods, my first question has always been, why? Like, how much will this really enhance my daily life, and how much more will they end up costing with cameras added? So after seeing this video specifically, it's pretty clear these AirPods are going to be used to help feed data and train their visual intelligence to be even better when they release their rumored first pair of Apple glasses. Yes, the purpose of the cameras in the next AirPods, sure, they're going to enhance things somewhat, but they're not to take pictures and movies, but to feed visual intelligence. So why not put something like this on their best-selling wireless earbuds to help lay the groundwork for the future? That's where I think this is all going. Just feed and funnel all these learnings to help develop the first Apple glasses. Now, Apple's first generation smart glasses are expected to be unveiled at WWDC in 2027, and then they'll be their answer to the basic functionality of what the Meta Ray-Bans do. I mean, Apple's been sitting on the sidelines just twiddling their thumbs for a while, but with Apple's design and ecosystem, and most likely better cameras for photos and videos, they can be interesting and a little more compelling. So to what extent these cameras will be useful on AirPods, we'll wait and find out and see once they're officially announced. I mean, how many times do I see something today that I pass by and want to remember it? Maybe something once in a while, maybe once a week, but it's not every day. But then, now the more I think about it, being a new dad, things are a lot crazier. I'm juggling a lot of things at once. I feel like my brain is always constantly spinning. You're juggling more information in your head, so then maybe this will be more helpful. I'm not trying to convince myself. I'm just talking this out loud with you. Now, we've heard the AirPods Ultra, as some have affectionately called them, could also launch as soon as next month and could be unveiled at the September event alongside of the new iPhone 18 Pro models and the iPhone Ultra foldable phone. We've also think we'll see the Apple Watch Series 12 and Apple Watch Ultra 4. And just like the video shows, the wireless earbuds will have a design very similar to the AirPods Pro 3, but with tiny cameras. Now, these tiny infrared cameras will reportedly be embedded in both the left and right earbud and will serve as the eyes for Siri. There will also be a small LED light on the earbuds that will indicate when the cameras are active, so we can know when you're recording us, I guess. But just a side note, with all these rumors of an iPhone Ultra or a MacBook Ultra or AirPods Ultra, there is nothing consistent across each product around what it actually means to be Ultra, other than this is our most expensive product in the line if you want extra bells and whistles. Or it could just stand for ultra expensive, because those products are going to be that too. Oh, you could bet on it. Now, this isn't the first leak from Apple software related to the AirPods with cameras. Last month, in the second developer beta of iOS 27, another reference to the AirPods Ultra was revealed in code. It mentioned a product by the codename B790 that could relay 2 images from cameras on either side of a user's head. So those could either be Apple's rumored smart glasses, but that's still not really happening anytime soon, or it was most likely a reference to the AirPods Ultra. But that's not all that was leaked in this recent macOS Tahoe 26.7 release candidate. In fact, a whole bunch of references to several unreleased products was also found in the code as well. Whoops, Apple. Like, seriously, someone's gonna get in trouble, right? I mean, maybe you throw some bad apples. Maybe it's about time you did that. Now, there were references to new home accessories and 2 model numbers that were previously connected to Apple's upcoming smart home hub. One model is expected to be the home hub with the speaker base, and then the other is the version rumored to be mounted on the wall. Another home accessory with the number J229 is a device with multiple sensors and the ability to detect alarm sounds and capture images. It's believed to be the rumored Apple security camera that they're working on that will be an accessory that goes with the smart home hub. We haven't seen that, but we've heard about that. There's other mentions of other home devices which aren't clear what they are, and then mystery colors like rose, pink, silver, space gray, and starlight, which could be colors for the HomePod Mini, for the smart home hub, or something else for this next lineup. Now, in audio, there are references to new AirPods with cameras. Those are the ones we talked about. There's new AirPods Pro 4, and then 2 new Beats headphone products. So we can expect those to be coming out as well. Unreleased iPhone models revealed earlier in iOS 27 code, and again here, and that includes obviously the iPhone Air 2, which I can't wait for. You got the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max, the standard iPhone 18, and the iPhone Ultra, the foldable, which Apple will, we'll just see how it all unfolds. Sorry, I had to do it. Now, there are references to a new entry-level MacBook Pro that's expected to be updated with an M6 chip, and we talked about it in our last video, plus code names for new iMac models and references to 4 different MacBook Pros that could be higher-end models, including the OLED touchscreen model that has been rumored for a couple of years at least now. And believe it or not, there is still a reference to a second-generation Apple Vision Pro in the code, even if reports said Apple was pivoting away from it for now to focus on glasses. Like, for all we know, Apple's just like, hey, Vision Pro, just stay over here. We'll revisit you later if it makes sense. But reports of a more affordable Vision Pro say it was canceled last year. And then a fun one, a mention of a new Apple TV remote, which we can assume would come with a new Apple TV as well. I know you all have been asking me almost every video I put out. I see in the comments, what is going on with the Apple TV? Well, you have a new remote, and when there's a new remote, a new set-top box is soon to follow, right? It just makes sense. So those are just some of the things, along with multiple unknown model numbers that currently do not correspond to any existing Apple products. There were, I think, 2 other model numbers referencing iPad minis. So yeah, Apple screwed up a lot of things here, but it gave us a good amount of things to talk about. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on the AirPods with cameras, because I'm at the point where we already have cameras on us and everywhere around us. Like, how much more do we need? And also, do we want to get to a point where there are literally cameras everywhere and on everything because we're moving in that direction? I feel like there's been a correction or a pullback from tech where we love it, we want to use it, but we don't want it to dominate our lives that much as it has in the past. So what do you think of these AirPods with cameras? What do you think about that comment in general? I guess, whether it's privacy or connected to tech, put it in the comments and I will read them. All right, that's going to do it for this video. The AirPods Ultra leaked by Apple. Can you believe it? And if you like what you see, give me that thumbs up, subs up, and hit that notification bell, ding, to get on my latest videos when they drop. And if you want more of that Apple goodness, you can check out my weekly Apple Bits XL audio podcast with the latest stories and special guests. Plus, you can support all my content with an ad-free version of the podcast, early access to my content, and exclusive content at patreon.com/BrianTong. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace and love.